Mobile phone sales and repairs, Noarlunga, South Australia. This established business offers a prime position in the busy Colonnades shopping centre and heaps of potential. Phone Rush Phone and Laptop Repairs delivers multiple income streams through mobile phone sales, repairs and accessories. This easy-to-run shop sits next to Australia Post at one of the main entries to the shopping centre at ground level. The only mobile phone store on the ground level, the corner location offers excellent visibility and constant foot traffic. The shop is small, with a fit-out designed to maximise display space and the option of trading on Sundays. One of the few shops offering on-the-spot repairs, the business has great potential for high profits. This turnkey store is ideal for an owner-operator and is priced for a quick sale.